Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how I make cabbage stew. So these are some of the vegetables which I'll be using. The carrots, I have some carrots, a red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some red onions and white onions, and I also have atarodo, the scotch bonnet pepper. So this is ginger and the garlic powder, curry powder, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, some chicken cubes, some chopped onions, and of course salt to taste. I'll go right now and mix everything together to combine thoroughly, and after that I will cook this chicken for about like 5 minutes. So after about 2 minutes, the chicken has already released its juice, so I'll go now and add in some water. So I'll allow the chicken to cook for another 5 minutes. So in here I will add in some coconut oil. So in here I'm adding in some garlic and ginger paste, some chopped onions. So after about 2 minutes, I'm adding in the cooked chicken. Guys, if you're still watching this video up till now, I'll be sharing with you one secret ingredient that I've fallen in love with ever since I started my channel. But I'm adding back the coconut oil. So I'm adding in some chopped onion. So after the about 2 minutes, I added in some tomato paste. Feel free to use any preferred cooking oil. So you have to fry the tomato until the tomato stops tasting raw. So at this point that the tomato no longer tastes raw, I added some curry powder, some thyme, seasoning, chicken seasoning powder. I gave it everything a mix. So at this point I'm also adding in some chopped, roughly pounded pepper. So after which I added in the meat stock. So I will allow this to come to boil before adding in the vegetables, and I also adjust my salt if there is need for me to. So guys, the aroma of this food is everywhere in my house. Like my children, everybody can't wait to have a taste. So even me, I cannot wait to have a taste. So the pot is already boiling, so I'll go right now and add in all the finely chopped vegetables. I will not be cooking this for much because I still want the vegetables crunchy. So after about 2 minutes, our cabbage will finally go in. So I'll cover this pot to allow the cabbage to, like, the heat to soften it a bit before I turn. So guys, if you're still watching this video up to this time, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate that. Please share the video, share the video with your friends and your family. And please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, why not subscribe, and so you don't get to miss any of my food episodes. And when you subscribe, hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that anytime I post a video, YouTube will just notify you that I've posted a video. And thank you so much guys for all your support. So now our food is ready. And remember guys, I told you that I have a secret ingredient that I'm falling so much in love with. It is no other ingredient than garlic. Like in the past I hated garlic so much, I don't used to like eat garlic, but today, ever since I started this channel, garlic has become my friend, like my food companion. Like I'm loving garlic, every taste of it. See you in my next video, and bye.